Hello everyone and welcome back. On today's video I'm going to present you an old phone. Well, a cool one. The last one that I got in my last phone hunt. A phone that has a good camera, it has GPS, it's a Nokia basically. So guess which one of all these is it? It's this one, the Nokia N82, an awesome phone. Let me not waste your time with small talk, let's get in it. And this is the phone. Well, this is the box. From Italy, I think. Well, let's open it up. This is its box. Beautiful. Mail 3. Kind of looks like Gmail, judging by the colors. Open this up. Wow. Stiff cardboard, like new. And this plastic cover. Nice to have it. Again, this is actually new. Not refurbished, not old and used. New. Never used. Never ever used. Look at all these details. For a phone that was launched in 2007, basically 19, no, wait, yeah, 19 years ago, it has a brilliant design. We'll talk about it after I show everything here. Here it has the micro SD card adapter. The card should be inside it. Here we have the headphones. Nice. Okay, let's not unwobble it. And spare headphone meshes. Here's the battery. BP6MT. Nice to have one that's not swollen. The CD driver. What video game was it that with monsters that had written on it for a very disgusting creature or something like that? Turn the disc around and you do this. Yeah, that was the best trolling ever. Well, this is in Italian because it was from Italy. These 3D icons. Flicker, Vox, Car's Eyes Optics. The Xenon Flash was something brilliant. And this is the big manual. Now here, the data cable, CA101, a line out for the TV, CA75U, and the charging brick. Oh, this nice design. AC5E model. Good. Anything else hidden underneath? Maybe 1 million euros? No. The phone itself. Let me sit more comfortable. So, on the top here we have the light sensor, front facing camera, which is a VGA1, earpiece, respond declined call, menu button, selectors, quick launch, and the numeric buttons, the D-pad, and nice 3.5mm audio jack. Here you can attach a wrist wrap or any kind of attachments, power on and off button or profile selector. On the right we have the two speakers. It's a stereo, volume up and down, gallery button, camera button, which is a double press one. Press gently to autofocus, press harder daddy to take the picture. On the bottom here we have the microphone. On the left side we have the micro USB cable for data transfer. Here is the charging port, and I'm a bit afraid to open the memory card door. Easy, please do not snap. Oh, I'm so scared. Why did you make them like that? Anyway, here's the memory card. I'm not gonna go deeper. Whew. On the back, well, the Nokia logo and series. Tessar 2.8 by 5.6. 5 megapixel xenon flash with autofocus with Carl Zeiss optics. The xenon flash with also an LED. Let's open the camera. Look at all these details. Oh, nice. Now, let's open it up. Pressing it here. Here are the phone details. N82 1. Made in Finland. It can't get better than this. Let's turn it on. Ah, that vibration. The operating system is loading, so okay. Here we have all the apps. Nokia Maps, which I don't think it will work because I accept the terms. Nah. No. Well, sorry, I can't use it. I have no network on it actually. Oh, that's fast. Searching for GPS signal. I don't think those GPS satellites are still on top now. Screensaver. Real player. Cute. Now the display, it's a TFT one with 16 million colors. The processor, it's ARM11 double 332 megahertz. The display has 320 by 240 pixels. Radio needs the headphones. Wireless Bluetooth profiles. Sounds nice. If I start the camera now, it will turn on the front-facing camera. Selfie. And it doesn't look too bad. Well, I have no lighting in the face, so yeah. Snakes. Well, let's turn on the camera. It's at 5 megapixel. It has 128 megabytes of RAM and 100 megabytes ROM. Let's take a picture. It should record MP4, which was something nice, TV high quality. Basically it's 480p at 30 FPS. Bluetooth is a 2.01. Yeah, this phone, it's a beauty. A powerful, dangerous beauty. And I love it. What I tell you, lifetimer 0. Planet 3, engage. Since it has a lot of commercial of this function. Tiles. Also a web browser, I forgot to mention that. You also have a web browser with this. Gallery. Go back to gallery. Awesome phone. I'm glad to have this in my collection. What are your thoughts about this model? Did you had it back then? Do you have it now in your collection? Leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. If you didn't, you know the other one. Yeah, and see you next time, guys. Until then, I wish you an awesome day, just like yourself, and all the best. Bye-bye.